Fine, let me go with the last problem here. Right, see, a brick measures 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter. How many bricks will be required for a wall 25 meter long, 2 meter high and 3 by 4 meter thick? Right, it's very simple one. So required number of bricks is equal to the volume of wall divided by volume of brick. So but here we are supposed to consider the units are different. See, here it is 25 meter, they have given meter, in terms of meter is given, here in terms of centimeter. So let us convert this into centimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right, now the wall dimensions will become what? 25 meter, that I will convert it into centimeter. This will become 2500 centimeter. And second one, length, then height is equal to how much? 2 meter into 100, that is 200, and 3 by 4 meter thick into 100, which is going to be 4 ones are 425s are, so 75 centimeter. Now, so the number of bricks required number of bricks is equal to what? This, that is 2500 into 200 into 75, that divided by 20 into 10 into 7.5. So now this you can convert, that is 2000, let me keep it 2500 into 200 into 75, that divided by 20 into 10 into this 7.5. So 7.5 is in terms of mixed fraction converted. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. So 15 by 2. So this is going to be 15 by 2. That 2 goes upwards, right? It is numerator 2. Now simplify it. 15 ones are 15 5s are, correct? 5 ones are 5 2s are. This 2 will be cancelled, right? This 0 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 10s are. So the remaining numbers is here 2500 into 10. So that is nothing but 25,000. So we need 25,000 bricks for a wall 25 meter long, 2 meter height, and as well as 3 by 4 meter thick, right? This is the answer.